Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the topic how you can save and load your machine learning models using scikit-learn. We used for this mainly three approaches when we want to save or again reload our model using scikit-learn. Our first approach is a pickle approach, and second one is your job lib approach, and manual save and restore to JSON approach. So these are the three famous popular methods using which you can restore your model. So let's start. I have just considered a very simple example. First of all, we will import the sklearn linear model logistic regression, and then we are loading the ERIS dataset, and then we are using the train and test split data. So first of all, we will load the dataset, and then we will split it into a training and the test dataset. Then we are defining the model. I have considered the logistic regression model here, and then fit into the train data. After training the data, we will now our model is created, and now we are going to apply our first approach to save our model, so we can reuse it on a later on. So first approach is our pickle approach. How you can do this? First of all, we will import the pickle library and then save the over the file name into the current working directory. So this is called the you can say object of the object of the your previous created model which you have made here. Okay, so we will save it in a file name, and then we will open the file and load our model, and then load the model back from the file using our simple with open function. When we load this using a pickle model, then we can see we get our previous model, this one. You can see here is a logistic regression which we have applied here, right? So you got your previous model, and then we will reload the model to check it's again or use for the unseen data which you have created using the train data. Now I will test this same model onto the to check the model evaluation on the unseen data, that is a test data set. This is its output. So this was your approach how you can like apply the pickle approach to save the model or reload the model using scikit-learn. So the advantages of this is save and restore over learning model is quick, and it does not save any test data or any results. Second approach is your job lib approach. This is also one of the sklearn method or approach using which you can again use your same model for the unseen dataset. We will again load over object of the previous model, and then we are creating into the loading the model. This is again loaded, and then we are applying it using our job lib object to check on the model evaluation or the score for the unseen data using simple job lib LR model. Then we can predict it. You can see the test score is 91.11%. So this was your second approach you can use to again use your previous model and load it again to check your performance for the unseen data. After that, we have a third approach, that is a JSON approach. If you want to save all the data in a single object, one possible way to do this is create a new class which will inherit your model class, which is called our logistic regression. How we are doing this? We have created a mic with the name of the logistic regression class, and then we are overriding our constructor and using simple over initial method, and then we are calling our train and test method, and then we have created a new function using the save underscore JSON method, which is going to save your data into the JSON file. And then we will create a JSON like this one, and then method for loading data from the JSON one. Earlier we were doing the simple, we have created the one object for the previous model, and then we were loading and applying on the unseen data. Here we are creating a class in case of the JSON. So now we have done this. Then we have now got an over new file in the JSON format. After that, we will again create a model and train it. And then we check it like this one. This is your train data. Now this was all about how you can save the model or import the model again to check the model evaluation with the unseen data. So these are the most popular three approaches which you can use. Thanks for watching my video.